Hello, crafty friends. I'm so excited to share a project with you. This is a super cute slipper shaker tag thing set. I don't even know. They look like 3D slippers. They are totally freaking adorable. This creative design was made by Nicole Paper Crafts, or Nicole Silhouette. And she actually has this in her Etsy shop, and I will have that down below. Her Etsy shop is Nicole Paper Crafts. I think her YouTube is Nicole Silhouette, and she did do a tutorial for this. So this is going to be made into a die, a metal die, but she does have this available. If you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or something like that, you can make it now. And so I went ahead and purchased it, and I'm in love. I thought these turned out so stinking cute. So I also used the KS Craft Cozy Wishes die because I thought, what the heck, it's got little feet on there. It totally goes. So I went ahead and made this little tag. I can't wait to put this on a present. I think they're just gonna go gaga over it. Of course, I made it a little shaker. And I added some snowflakes. These were from, these are felt snowflakes that I got from Tuesday Morning. And then these little dealies right here, the pom-poms, I got from the Dollar Tree. And this little pom-pom trim I got last year from Hobby Lobby. Now, well, not last year. This is probably about 3 years ago. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in 2 years because there's not one close to me. But anyway, the shaker mix I made inside was a combination of a snowflake shaker mix that I got from Monica Partridge Shop, Pear Tree Treasures in Canada. And also just some little mixtures of seed beads that I have, and the little stars from these I purchased on Amazon or something like that. Anyway, so let me get into the measurements for you so you can see. Now you can always change the measurements in your machine, but this is 6.5 inches by, I'd say 2.5, a little over 2, well, 2 5/8, okay? Yeah, maybe a little more than that. Yeah, a little over 2 5/8, okay? So that is a cute, adorable size. And of course, it comes in the Silhouette file. It comes like this. Now, I had to change mine into, I had to convert the file into an SVG, but if you know how to do that, you know, that's really awesome. But anyway, I had to look it up because I usually don't have to do that. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because I thought they were totally stinking adorable, and I know you guys are going to love it. I'm going to have her link down below if you're interested, or you can wait for it to show up in one of the alley stores. I'm not sure who purchased the file, but if I find out, I will definitely let you know. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day, and if you make these, definitely tag Nicole in it. I know she'll love to see them. Have a great day, guys. Bye.